In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make corner curve wall shelf. First of all, we have to make a 2-point arc over there. We can place on this position. Okay, we can make the curve as we want. Okay, just like this, and then we can make a line over there and with a perpendicular shape. So then we can get this plane, the corner curve, and then we can push it to the up or down. It's depend on you. Maybe we can set the thickness around 50 millimeter for the self thickness. Make group and just make it component. Create. Okay, and then we can move it a little bit to the down to the bottom position. And then we can select move again. Press on this corner. Then we can click in this, and then we can type forward slash and enter. So it's about the corner curve, and then we can make the another material of it. So then we can set the another wall shelf material. Maybe we can use this, or we can use this color, or many more. Maybe we can use two or more color to make it more highlighted with the curve position, so you can explore it more. Or maybe you can make the another barrier, small barrier on the top position of this every single corner shelf. So then we have to click, and then we can offset it inside around, maybe you can offset it inside around just 10 millimeter, and so then we have to push it up a little bit, maybe around 10 millimeter also, so it would be more details. And anyway, we can just offset it inside also around 10 millimeter. So then we have to push it to the up until 10 millimeter, so we can make the another function. We can make the another element in this position. For example, we can add lighting over there to make it um, brightness than before. So then we can set the lighting color over there, so it will give the impression that this all of this every single corner shelf are get the light from the above position. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.